Primarily, neck and shoulder pain are caused by misalignment of the top cervical bone in the neck, nicknamed the atlas or C1. Foundationally, that area where the head and the neck meet, it has to be balanced or the body is going to compensate for it. As with any other structure, the body shifts when the foundation moves. Your body is born with a structural support system to carry the weight of the head on top of the neck and to carry the weight of the rest of the body on the shoulders down. The supports consist of the spinal curvatures and the discs in between the vertebrae. When C1 is misaligned, then it causes the curve in the neck to be lost. The loss of the curve stretches the spinal cord. It creates tension on the brainstem, the cranial nerves, and the cervical nerve roots where the nerves exit the spinal column. It can go undetected for years because pain and other symptoms don't always come about in the early stages. If they do, we've sort of been taught to just medicate them away, to ignore the pain instead of finding the cause of it. Kids are really resilient. When trauma happens with them and these shifts occur, they usually don't show very many signs of it, but a generation of texting and computer use has added strain to their bodies, and we're seeing symptoms occur a lot faster in this generation. Once foundational stability is lost, once the support curve is gone, then the weight of the head bears down more so on the discs than intended. That added pressure causes the discs to break down, and spinal degeneration is really just a fancy way of saying structural breakdown, which has long been passed off as part of the aging process, but generalization isn't evidence. Age causes things to wear down, not break down. Research indicates that stress on the joint surfaces is the primary cause of degeneration. The primary cause of stress on the joint surfaces is loss of structural balance. And the primary cause of structural imbalance is the head and the neck foundational misalignment. If you fix the foundational cause, then the effects reduce naturally as the body readapts.